Hello everyone, welcome to A to Z of Environment, an online experiential learning series by Eduenviro group. Yesterday we talked about B for biodegradable. To recap, biodegradable products are products that can be disposed of in nature by natural processes. All materials and products that come from animals and plants, like fruits, dairy products, flowers, leaves, are called organic biodegradable products. And everything that is made chemically and are synthetic, like glass and plastic, are called non-biodegradable products. At the end of our tutorial yesterday, we talked about an experiment that you can perform at your home to learn about biodegradable processes. Today we're going to demonstrate it. First step is to dig 2 pits in soil. I'm using these 2 plantains, and as you can see, I've already dug up 2 pits in them. You can do this in your backyard if you have one, and if you don't have one, you can do this in plants or planters like I'm doing. So these are 2 pits. They should be deep enough so that you can cover up the products you put in it with enough soil. So for biodegradable waste, I'm using these orange peels. These are naturally produced in our environment by plants. On biodegradable waste, I'm using this plastic bag that we usually get our dairy products in. So to start the experiment, I'm gonna fill one of this pit with biodegradable waste, which is these orange peels. So let's do that. So I'm gonna push them down in the soil and then cover them up so they're completely covered by soil, and all the microorganisms and the bacteria present in the dirt can work their magic and eat and decompose these orange peels. There we go. In our second pit, I'm gonna use our plastic bag. So I'm gonna push it deep in. Same process, cover it up with soil. Now after a week, I'm gonna come back, dig up both these pits, and observe what has happened to both our wastes. Try this experiment at home and tell us what you find.